So you broke your drone. Oh no, how'd you break your drone? Well, it just fell from 30 meters and broke apart like an old Nokia phone. Because I hated it, and it obviously was working way too well. It's been smushed. Smushy smushed. Some things pop out right there, but... Your drone license. Meh, 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 meh. Come on, okay, that wouldn't have stopped the power line.
Whoa! Oh no! Oh,
I hit sport mode on the controller, which is, you just like do that. The whole thing goes, obstacle avoidance now not available. What I saw from the camera view, which I don't know if I can get the footage now because it won't turn on, it just went straight to the ground, and then I lost footage like your drone exploded. The batteries are fine. The gimbal looks fine, but when you put a battery in it, mind you, the batteries turn on even if they're not in the drone, which doesn't help. Even if I put it in the drone now, she does not wake up. And then got ran over because it landed in the alleyway. Plug in a USB-C and make it work. I don't know if it would turn on, but it's not turning on. I was talking so much about how it was great at falling. It only fell from 30 meters, so that's like 100 feet. That doesn't look the best, but it is not turning on now. Gotta give him CPR. It's just like, even if you try to hold the little side buttons. Go through some rules. No power lines as normal drones and cameras. How I broke the Skydio once. Especially with this drone, it doesn't try to recover itself. It hits something and then just goes straight to the ground. It just says, screw it, I'm gonna dive. Lens protectors? That might be a thing. That should definitely be a thing. Might want to get one of those if you're trying to keep this drone alive for a while, but only $250. So if you break it, you get a new one, and then you break that one.
table and sell it for like $50. Get 2 tables. We'll sell those, and I can make 4 tables.
You'll have enough pieces forever to just keep flying. Other things that might be safe to invest in, those bumpers. I kind of see why they had those on Amazon now, because this thing is gonna bump into everything. The gimbal's fine. The gimbal seems fine, it's just not powering on. You definitely could smack that